All right, ladies and gentlemen, Robert Carter, SANY District Technology Coach, coming back to you with Scratch Junior. Scratch Junior is a free online coding program that is age appropriate for kindergarten, first grade, maybe even some second graders. In my previous video, I went through and showed you the format, some of the resource, basically just a structural introduction. In this one, I want to show you some functional coding examples. Let's go ahead and go in the home button. You see, you've got some previous examples of playing around in here. A lot of these, please keep in mind as your students, many of your students are using the same single login to get into Scratch Junior. Prepare them to be ready to do a blank slate probably each time that they come in here. But let's go ahead and start with a blank slate ourselves. Excuse me. All right, let's go ahead and start to give him a background. Let's use a city street. We'll move him down. Let's give him a friend as well. Let's use the chicken. Put him on the other side. Now, please keep in mind as you're going from character to character, okay, and you are coding, you'll notice that the picture down here in the coding area changes. When it's the chicken, you're coding for just the chicken. When it's the cat, you're coding for just the cat. Well, let's start with him. Let's give him a trigger. Green flag. Now, let's go ahead and use a repeat block. Now, what's nice about this is we're going to use this repeat block. Anything that we put inside here is going to be repeated the amount of times listed here. I'm going to leave that at a 4. We're going to move forward in there. And at the end of those 4, let's put a little thought bubble or a conversation bubble in here. Let's have it say, "Hello, Miss Chicken." Let's see what the cat's code looks like so far. Now, I don't think that's far enough for us. Let's go ahead and go that up to 6 repeats and leave it the same. Let's look at the chicken. We're going to start on the same trigger. Except this time, we're going to make her turn left so that she faces the cat. We're going to use the same repeat blocks. Now we're going to use left. Now also keep in mind, if you have a piece down here that you need to get rid of, we can peel off the back of any coding line. In this case, I want to keep it back on here. But if we want to throw something away, simply drag it out of the coding area. Boop. But in this case, I'm going to keep it in here. We're going to throw a wrinkle in here. I'm going to give it a little bit of a delay after the code. But I'm not going to do 10 seconds. I'm only going to do a second. And then let's put a little hello in here. And let's do, oh, hi, Miss Kitty. Let's see what this code looks like for both of them now. Looks like Miss Chicken's code, the speaking part for Miss Chicken's is going a little long. So let's actually increase this wait time to 3 seconds and try it again. Let's adjust to 5. This is a big part of coding sometimes, is debugging and changing small features. And I would probably settle finally on 6. We can put some other options in here as well. We've got, as I said, we can even increase the speed. Or in this case, let's actually make the chicken go a little bit slower. We can input sounds. This is just play pop, the one that you hear even the pieces click together. Students can also record their own if you're in an environment that you can do that in. We also have end commands as well. These basically tell the code that the code is all done. Don't repeat anything. It is finished. Let's try it with the slow command on there. You can see the chicken's moving considerably slower now. Perfect. And then it terminates at the end. There's a ton of different combinations that your kids are going to be able to do, and they can increase the amount of characters that are here on the left-hand side, in addition to trying different scenarios over here on the right-hand side. So we can use a completely fresh slate here, just got my kitty, and add different characters here. Now, the whole point of this video was to just get you a kind of a raw introduction to coding with Scratch Junior. The real biggest thing that you could do for students is give them an avenue to experiment with the platform and to really, really enjoy all the things that it has to offer. Please, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Otherwise, have a great day.